all, this is Jayashree Bagmare welcomes you in the BSG News and here are the top headlines of this week.
Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir praised the efforts of BSG in Union Territory. Two unit leaders attended WAG session on SDGs. Regional level self-defense training for guides and rangers conducted at Himachal Pradesh. Search Smart training conducted at Tamil Nadu. World AIDS Day was observed by members across the country. Arunachal Pradesh State conducted Dvitiya, Tritiya and Petrol Leaders Training Course. 33 district in charges participated in social media workshop of Chhattisgarh State. East Central Railway State presented Rajya Puraskar Award certificates. Members of Himachal Pradesh helped a cancer patient with financial assistance. First Basic Scout Master course conducted by Jammu and Kashmir at LOC. Members of Karnataka participated in state-level Gita Gayana competition. Sirohi district of Rajasthan State conducted district-level competition rally. Members of Sairam district distributed 500 relief packets after Bengal cyclone. Now, news in details. Jammu and Kashmir. Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir Sri Manoj Sinha and also the Chief Patron of Jammu and Kashmir State Bharat Scouts and Guides assured every support and necessary assistance to strengthen the BSG movement in the Union Territory on 13 November 2024 in the interaction with the officials and members of JKBSG while presenting BSG Flag Day sticker. The Governor also congratulated the J&K Bharat Scouts and Guides team for inspiring more youth from the Union Territory to join the noble mission. It is a matter of great pride that Jammu and Kashmir Bharat Scouts and Guides have seen a massive increase in enrollment of volunteers from 7,500 in 2020 to 14,000 in 2024. The work done by the team is truly praiseworthy and they continue to discharge the duties with efficiency and effectiveness, he said. He also added that I am confident they will play a crucial role in bringing about constructive socio-economic changes in the Union Territory. Facts. Ms. Jasmine Cheong, June and Malau from the WAGS team conducted a session on the SDGs and the Responsible Action Mindset on 13 November 2024 via the Zoom platform. Two members from BSG India, Mrs. Mamta Morais from Maharashtra and Ms. Padma Sidanevar from Goa attended the session. NHQ. The Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted regional level National Headquarters. The Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted regional level self-defense camp for guides and rangers at STS Rivalsar, Mandi district, Himachal Pradesh from 4 to 8 December 2024 under the leadership of Mrs. Surekha Srivastava, Deputy Director of Guides Girl Program. 74 participants from Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan and Southeastern Railway states attended the camp. The participants had the opportunity to learn various self-defense techniques and skills. Search Smart 2.0. The Sairam District Association Tamil Nadu conducted the Search Smart 2.0 batch program for Rovers and Rangers of Sairam Medical College on 28 November 2024 with 68 participants from both wings. The session was led by Ms. Sachika Adhavan, ALT Guide, who shared valuable insights on leveraging the internet and social media effectively. This event was held under the leadership of Dr. Sai Prakash Leomuthu, District Chief Commissioner and CEO Chairman, along with Mr. Satish Kumar, Vice President, and Mr. Naresh Raj, DC Scout. NYC Gadpuri. The National Youth Adventure Camp for PM Shri School, Haryana was conducted at Jaisalmer, Rajasthan from 30th November 2024 to 4th December 2024 for 307 participants under the leadership of Sri Siddharth Mohanty, Project Officer, assisted by Sri Sukhdev Singh. Now, news from the states. Arunachal Pradesh. The zonal level Tritiya Sopan training testing camp was held by the Deputy Director of School Education, West Kameng District, Bomdila, Arunachal Pradesh from November 26 to 30th November 2024 at the regional sheep breeding farm Sangati, Dirang, West Kamek district, Arunachal Pradesh. Yaldikomu DDSE of Bomdila was the chief guest at the event. Namsai district conducted district level patrol leaders training camp at district headquarters government secondary school Namsai from 27 to 28 November 2024. Central Railway. On the occasion of World's AIDS Day, the Vikrant C Group of Central Railway State BSG organized a one-day camp on December 1, 2024 at the Shankar Dhiman Memorial Scout Guide Den, Ajni. The camp featured a seminar led by Dr. Shrija, Senior Divisional Medical Officer, Senior DMO of Ajni, who raised awareness about HIV/AIDS. Dr. Shrija also conducted a training session on basic first aid skills, including CPR, providing valuable life-saving knowledge to all attendees. Chhattisgarh. The Chhattisgarh State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a social media workshop where the in-charges of 33 districts were taught the importance and techniques of electronic and news media. Sri Baldev Bhai Sharma, Vice Chancellor of Khushbau Thakre National University of Journalism, inaugurated the workshop. State Chief Commissioner Dr. Somnath Yadav presided over the function. Various journalism experts including Sri Manoj Singh Baghel, Sri Vishal Yadav and Ms. Priyanka Kaushal provided training to the participants. State level adventure hike, personal development and nature study camp was organized from November 26 to 28, 2024 at village Jalki, Sirpur, district Mahasumund, in which 96 members took part. East Central Railway. 158 Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers of East Central Railway received the Rajya Puraskar Award certificates in the State Award Rally organized at State Headquarters Rail Niketan Hajipur on 28 to 29 November 2024. The program was inaugurated by the Chief Guest Sri Chhatrasal Singh, Patron cum General Manager. The Dhanbad, Saharsa and Barauni district organized a mock drill on 28 November, 22nd and 30th November with support from NDRF and the East Central Railway, where Scouts, Guides, Rovers, Rangers and unit leaders received training in disaster management, rescue operations and first aid. Gujarat. The Bhavnagar District Association of Gujarat State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized an awareness program on December 1st to observe World AIDS Day under the guidance of District Minister Mr. Ajay Bhai. The program covered various preventive measures against AIDS, precautions to be taken during bleeding, and the importance of safe blood donation. Haryana. On 1st December 2024, the Scouts and Guides of Secondary Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinchore, Panchkula, Haryana, under the leadership of Ms. Baljinder Kaur, Guide Captain, visited the popular tourist spot Yadvendra Garden, Pinchore, to raise awareness about HIV/AIDS. The visit was organized in observance of World AIDS Day 2024 with the theme Take the Right Path, My Health, My Right. Himachal Pradesh. The Scouts and Guides of Government Senior Secondary School, Tauni Devi district of Himachal Pradesh provided financial assistance of Rs 10,000 to a cancer patient from the Gram Panchayat of Kalbutra. This generous gesture was carried out under the leadership of Sri Satish Kumar Rana, Scout Master, and Miss Kusum Lata, Guide Captain, and was widely appreciated by the community. Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted basic course for Scout Masters at Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Trehgam, Kupwara from 16 to 22nd November 2024. It is the first ever course conducted at Line of Control. There were 47 candidates, including 7 lady scout masters from Badipora, Kupwara, Ganderbal and Kulgam districts. The course was inaugurated by Mr. Abdul Majid Dar, Chief Education Officer, Kupwara, Pirzada Mumtaz Ahmad, JKAS, Assistant Commissioner Revenue, Kupwara attended the valedictory function. Karnataka. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka State Level Gita Gayana Competition for Cubs, Bulbuls, Scouts, Guides, Rovers, Rangers and Unit Leaders was organized in collaboration with Tumkur District Association on 1st December 2024 at St. Mary's Convent, Tumkur. In this competition from 19 districts, 320 Cubs, Bulbuls, Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers and 60 unit leaders were participated. In the closing ceremony, Sri P.G.R. Sindhia, State Chief Commissioner, expressed his appreciation and congratulated the children and teachers. KBS World AIDS Day was celebrated by the Scouts and Guides of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan on 1st December 2024. Members participated in awareness programs, first aid camps, slogan writing and poster and drawing competitions. The students were informed that AIDS is not spread by playing together, talking or eating together. KB Gurdaspur, KB Hamirpur, KB Mallapur, KB Upper Shillong, KB 1 Jammu actively participated in the celebration. Northeastern Railway. The enrollment ceremony of Scouts Guides were organized by NE Railway Senior Secondary Railway School of Northeast Railway, Bharat Scouts and Guides District Association Railway School on 16th November 2024. 80 Scouts Guides of the school were enrolled in the ceremony. Sri Rajesh Avasthi, State Chief Commissioner and Chief Mechanical Engineer, Planning was the chief guest and special guest CPRO Sri Pankaj Kumar Singh inaugurated the ceremony by saluting the BSG flag. Sri Anuj Ranjan, STC Scout and Sri B. Srivastava, Principal Higher Senior Secondary School were present. Rajasthan State Bharat Scouts and Guides District Headquarters Sirohi organized the district level Scout Guide competition rally from 19 to 23rd November 2024 at the Government Higher Secondary School Ajari Playground, Pindwara, Sirohi. Sri Lumba Ram Chaudhary, Member of Parliament, Sirohi, Chief Guest, inaugurated the program and interacted the members. He also announced ₹11 lakh for the construction of a teen shade hall at the Scout Guide District Headquarters, Sirohi. Sri Niranjan Arya, State Chief Commissioner and International Commissioner Scout, was the chief guest in the closing ceremony. Southeastern Railway. Member of the Southeastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides, Azad Group and Sarojini Group, Bhojudiya from the Adra District Association organized one-day cycle hike and camp at Jharna Temple, Bhojudiya on 1st December 2024. Tamil Nadu. On 29th November 2024, Salem Urban District and Holy Cross Scout Group of Tamil Nadu State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a drug awareness rally. The function was inaugurated by Dr. R. Brinda Devi, IAS, District Collector of Salem, the correspondent and principal of the school. Officials of NCC Health Department also joined the program. On occasion of 15th anniversary, the Bharati Scout and Guide Group of Tamil Nadu State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a blood donation camp on November 24, 2024 with the Chennai Skyline Lions Club at the Hindu Higher Secondary School, Tripik Lane, Chennai, as part of their efforts to serve society. In the wake-up of the devastating Fengal cyclone, the Sairam Bharat Scouts and Guides District Association launched a flood relief distribution drive in Kudapakkam and Kanavapettai villages, Viliyanur, Puducherry on 3rd December 2024, 500 relief packets with essential items were distributed to support affected families. Uttarakhand, Dvitiya and Tritiya Sopan training and testing camps were conducted at Dhunda, Uttarkashi district of Uttarakhand State Bharat Scouts and Guides from 13th November to 1st December 2024. Total 226 participants took part in the camps. Commandant IDP 12th Vahini Sri Mangeram Rathod was the chief guest and presided over by Chief Education Officer Sri Shailendra Amoli, District Chief Commissioner, Uttarkashi. New circulars issued. Circular number 230. National Adventure Program at NAI Kasyang, Darjeeling, West Bengal from April 2025 to March 2026. Circular number 231. National Youth Adventure Program at National Youth Complex, Gatpuri, District Palwal, Haryana from April 2025 to March 2026. Circular number 233. National Youth Adventure Program at Goa. Circular number 234. National Youth Adventure Program at Manali, Himachal Pradesh from April 2025 to March 2026. Circular number 235. 16 days of activism against gender-based violence. Circular number 236. National Level Ka Bulbul Utsav at National Youth Complex, Gatpuri, Haryana. Circular number 237. National Level Integration Camp at National Youth Complex, Gatpuri, Haryana. Circular number 238. Reminder Diamond Jubilee Jamboree of the Bharat Scouts and Guides at Trichy, Tamil Nadu State. Confirmation of participation. Circular number 239. Launch of Hand Washing, Clean Hands, Happy Life website. Circular number 240. Postponement, National Integration Camp at Andhra Pradesh State. Circular number 241. Reminder, National Rover and Ranger moved to commemorate 163 birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda National Youth Day at STC Mandapam, Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu from 9th to 13th January 2025.
For more news, please visit the Bharat Scouts and Guides website bsgindia.org. Stay tuned with us through the YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and other social media sites of the Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters.